This video intends to be used as a learning tool. We believe this footage can be used as an educational and informational guide for viewers to analyze and evaluate situations, and to prevent any future incidents or mishaps. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Enjoy the video.
Something got loose and now my stomach is like, oof.
Whoa!
Shit!
They ran.
Oh, they're running from the cops.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What'd I do?
I mean, there's nothing you can do. You check if she's okay.
Should we ask her?
Yes. Oh! Shit! I've got it on video.
They walk into the church. These are just not their people.
Tony Jones, who you also heard from on our last episode, is part of these gatherings as well. To be in a room...
Oh, shit! Hey, man! I should have just let him hit me.
In 2 miles, keep right onto TX 366 East.
Oh shit, watch this motherfucking horn, this bitch.
God, what an asshole.
Fucking dick.
And everything was loud. What the fuck are you doing?
Reaction channel. This is by far absolute worst reaction channel. No, not even worst reaction channel. This is the worst channel I've ever seen in my life. Shout out to my friend Whip for finding this.
I caught a
Goes by the name Super Brothers.
Oh my God, I caught an accident on camera.
Too many. Like, guys, no joke. If this
Damn. That was his fault all day. Wow.
This is a bicycle lane, dumbass. You understand that? You're on film too, dumbass. Yeah, I'm a local and I know how to drive here, dumbass. Let me get your license plate number, dumbass. Get out of the road. NJF J31, you dumbass. Bicycle lane. Bicycle lane. This is a bicycle lane. Do you understand that? Yeah. So what's your problem, dumbass? What's your problem? No, I'm in the bicycle lane, you dumbass. No, I got it on film, dumbass. You want to pull over? I'll put my foot up your fucking ass too. Yeah, pull over. Pull over, tough guy. Pull over.
Technischen Universität München und am Ärztenzentrum. Frau Potze, Dankeschön für das Gespräch.
A javelin throw.
Oh, she hit another car.
What? What are you doing, dumbass? Smooth. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Out, out. Here we go, here we go. What do you do about it? Holy shit! They got